Hello guys, hello everyone. We need to wait a little bit for the others and start my next live trading on my YouTube channel. At first I need to check the news to understand do we have any problems with them or not. A minute ago there were so many actually news with the dollar. Five ones, yeah. And in 1.5 hours we will have another news with dollar, but I don't think that we have any problem with them. So guys, I'm going again to trade online and answer your questions. So if you have any questions, please ask them in chat. Put your likes, be active please, because with it you are helping me to promote my channel more. Hello Blessing, hello brother, how are you? Hello everyone, guys, connect to the stream. I need to turn off the currency pairs which have less than 70% income and turn on the opposite ones, the currency pairs which have more than 70% income. We are of course trading on the currency pairs without the latest OTC, because OTC, you know, this is something unnormal. Let me call it like this, because this is not real currency translations. That's why I'm not using them in my trading, especially on real account. So guys, we have a downgoing trend on the currency pairs euro and Australian dollar. Let me open 15 minutes down with this currency pair. Please put more likes, be active in chat. Should we join you to trade while you are trading? As you wish, if you can, if it's there is no delays with the live streamings. As you wish again. Please put more likes and subscribe to the channel. With this you are supporting me to promote my channel better. That's why I'm asking you to do that. I'm ready for the double deal. If for example this my first deal will be a minus, and I want to find one more deal till that the first one is already open. So here we have a downgoing trend, and the correction was already reversed, and here we have a supporting level which was already beaten by the price. And now again the price is going to beat this level and go down to continue its trend to fix new low, because it's need to continue its trend again. That's why I opened the deal down on 2 minutes, because it's going to be right now. Yes guys, please be more active in chat and put likes. This is very important for me, please. There is not a problem for you and not difficult for you to make it. Hello Debbie, how are you? Hello everyone. The volatility became so high. Debbie, I'm very happy to read that already everything all good. Okay, one more double deal here. If somebody didn't understood, I put a double deal with the level, resistance level. Here is it. Wanted to ask you something. Instead of binary, you don't also open Forex trading session? No. Instead of binary options, I'm not using Forex trading sessions. I'm not opening their sessions. I'm trading on the futures trading also, but not like for for the auditory. Why? Why it is happening right now? It was normal movements, downgoing trend. The price went up and beat the whole levels there. Binary too many manipulations? No. Why? This is the same charts, the same quotes. What is the problem? Like, you can open the Forex and try to find any differences. The quotes are the same, Debbie. If, for example, you have on the market manipulations on the, for example, M1 time frame, you are noticing that, you will be able to notice it on the Forex also, because the charts are the same. There is no differences between the charts. That means that there is no meta actually where we are trading. Last time I checked, both binary and Forex candle are different. No, it's impossible. If the Forex, it's impossible actually. You maybe are looked for the different currency pairs, maybe different time frames, but I've checked it so many times. I can do it right now if you want. Actually, I will check with the trading view, with the charts of the trading view. What is going on here? The whole deal was plus. Again, the same thing is going on. 10 seconds left. Please hold on there. Yes, finally I have a pluses here. So I have to look for it if I have not deleted it. Debbie, it's impossible again. Seriously, believe me, it's impossible what you are saying right now. Let me count, please. I've invested 1,600 and 800 in 2004, 2,800. I've earned something $140 here. opening one more deal down because the trend is working actually. We have a downgoing trend. And the price need to go down to beat last low to continue its trend. Guys, please put more likes and subscribe to the channel, please. The volatility on the currency pair euro and dollar and Australian dollar and Switzerland franc are very, very high. That's why in the end of these deals I think we need to change the currency pairs because it's something unusual and very difficult to trade on them. OTC, Debbie, this is not the real this is not the real currencies. I told you about it last time, and every time I'm telling you, you are not listening to me. You don't need to watch the OTC at all because OTC is not the real currency pairs. This is something that created by the broker. This is not a market. This is not I don't know. This is not something that you can, for example, try to find any differences because this is not a real currency pairs. Again, I told you so many times, guys, about it, but you are again speaking about it in the same way. Hello, George, how are you? Guys, please put more likes. This is very important for me. With that, I can understand that really you need this live trading on YouTube, but without that, I just can understand that you don't need them. I need to put, I think, another deal somewhere else. Just a minute, please. Euro and Switzerland franc. The price going down, but not now. I'm putting up onto $400 because it's upgoing trend and the price is going to beat the last high to continue its trend, and the last time the correction started somewhere here, so that's why I think that right now it is after the correction movement. For 1 minute time frame, can I set up RSI 14 EMA? I think you can, of course. Akinyemi, hello, how are you? Guys, please put more likes. The volatility is so high, guys. It is so difficult to trade actually. But I need to do the live streamings because I promised about it. So here on this deal we have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, perfect. And that was a double deal, so I've earned I've invested $600 and earned 156 already with these deals. It means 296, and this deal is going again to be a plus. The last low was beaten, as I told you about it, and now we need just to wait 2 and almost half minutes till the end of this deal. How many minutes are you using in trading? It depends on technical analysis actually. If I understood that I need 1 minute, I can put even 1 minute deals. But right now, for example, with this deal, I've opened it on 15 minutes, but the other ones I've used 2 minutes expirations. That's why, again, that's all depends on the technical analysis. Guys, please be more active, put a likes. I need to repeat it every time, I understood, but please, with your activities on my live streaming, the stream is promoting better. And when the people coming to the stream, they are asking so many beautiful and interesting questions, for example, that you forget to ask. And you are listening to the answer and understood yourself also the answer that you need actually also. That's why I'm asking you to be active, to put like, I don't know, to write any messages in the chat, because our live streamings are really very passive, guys, and this is, I don't like it, seriously. I'm already thinking about making some, I don't know, pause on the live streamings because they are very, very passive, guys. Maybe next week I will not make a live streamings because of it. I asked you about RSI setting for 1 minute. You didn't answer. You asked me about RSI and about 14 EMA, and I told you yes, you can do it. You asked me, can I do it? Can I set up RSI 14 EMA? I told you yes, you can. Why I didn't answer? Where is RSI? RSI with the 14, yes, it's okay, period, 14 period. You're asking about the period, yes? So 10 seconds left till the end of this deal, guys, and my next deal is going to be a plus. 2-1 again, $140 my main profit from this deal also. It means I've earned 424. No, 434 dollars. I have already earned during these 17 minutes when I'm on the live streaming or live trading. So that's why I'm asking you to put more likes, to be active, because I'm really showing you the real trading. But you are not want maybe to, I don't know, to watch something like this. I don't know, you are maybe wanting to watch some movies. Maybe I'm interrupt you, but I still thinking, and I'm sure that I'm right, that if you are going to become a real trader, you need to watch live streamings also. And for 3 and 5 minutes RSI 14 minutes. No, the most important thing, it is the styles also, because this is the percentages of the what is the called, the levels up and down of the RSI. I don't remember actually on the English language, but main line is, it's okay 15 of percentages, because this is the middle. But these two moments you can, for example, change 80 up one and 20 the down one, and try to trade on 1 or 2 minutes, but again, as you wish. I understood. Guys, put more likes, please. I'm looking for my next deal. So here I think it will be a correction, so that's why I'm trying to put a deal down, because it will be a correction here. I hope that 5 minutes it's enough to get a plus inside of the correction. What pocket option doesn't have? I put the deal down because it's going to be a correction here as the last times. That's why I put the deal down. What we have here? What is it? No, I don't need this. I can use, for example, trend lines to show you how the trend is going to be and why I put a deal, for example, up. Here our trend is look like actually. Here you can notice that last high was already beaten by the price. That's why the correction was started here. And as I understood, right now the price is going to be like this as the last times to inside of the no. As you can see, the trend went on. So it means the correction will start somewhere here. A period there we can out either 7, 14 or 20. No, you can use only one period. But the percentages you can change inside of the settings of RSI, I mean the indicator RSI. David, the only person who are asking some questions, who are really wanting to, who is really wanting to become a trader, as I understood. Thank you for your questions. Without your questions, I just need to sit in the silence and just to trade, and that's all. You don't need any explanations, maybe, I don't know. Seriously, this is something unbelievable for me. Because for example, I'm making a live streaming on Russian language also, and there the auditory every time asking some questions. But here you are not asking anything, and this is something unusual and unbelievable for me. This is the same, for example, when you entered the university and trying to become, for example, a lawyer, and on the lessons you are not asking anything, you are not interested in anything. You just want to listen what the teacher just trying to explain, but you don't have any questions. This is really something misunderstandable for me. So guys, the trend just went on. I was wrong here. Yes, I was wrong here. I thought that the correction already need to start, but it was started actually on 2 candles, but with the third one the price went on up, I mean, with the trend. So that's why I need to make a double deal somewhere else. The logic of this currency pair didn't work. Here we have a good situation. That's why I'm opening a deal down, because we have a resistance level here. Here is it. I hope it will be a plus without any problem. It's already inside the resistance zone. Is it true trading morning and evening is more volatility? Yes, it's true actually. The level was beaten here. That is a bad news for me. But why? Guys, put more likes, please. have opened a deal, one more deal down again from the resistance level, and I hope this time the level will work without any problem, because last time it didn't work at all. It's going to beat the level again. Guys, please put more likes. Again, it becomes some problem, I don't know, with the likes, seriously. I can understand that it is problem to subscribe, but to put a like. 1 second left and everything is okay. I've invested here $1,400 and I've get back $1,512. It means my main profit $112. Let me prove it here. It's $546 I've already earned during this trading session, on the live session, I mean. And the resistance level worked well. Dude, one question: how much do you pay for rent? Last week we were in central London and there are several people said that their rent is about £2,000 heating not included for one room flat. Why you are asking such a question? I asked you to ask questions about binary options, about the trading, but not such questions. Nonso, hello. At first, I need to tell you that this is a house, not a flat. And the second, this is my house, my own house. I built it myself. I've earned on trading and built it myself. For example, I've made a video like on my YouTube channel on Russian, and if you want I can for example translate it into English and publish it here on this YouTube channel also, if you want, of course, and you will understand what I'm telling you, because I built this house 3 years ago and we are already living here almost 3 years. This Christmas will be the third one. But I don't know in London how much you need to pay for the rent, because I'm not living in London. This is the third moment that I can't understand why you are asking such a question. I'm living in Armenia. That's why this is something unnormal that you are asking about it. If you don't need any answers about trading and binary options, okay. So here is the correction. I was already right. I was almost right about this, actually. I want to risk again and put down again on the correction, because I think the correction will be go on. This is very small correction. If we, for example, try to find differences between the last corrections, you will understand that this is very small one. Like here the correction was 10 candles, maybe more. Here it was more, but here it was 4 candles. I don't believe it. Let's wait and we will understood. I've opened the deal down on 5 minutes because I understood that it can be like some movements up. But in the end, I think it will be under my deal. As right now you can notice. Guys, please put more likes, be active in chat, I don't know, ask me anything, let me to explain you something, I don't know. I need to speak about trading, but give me a themes, give me the themes that we are interested in to speak about them. I have catch a cold actually a little bit. That's why I need to drink so many liquids, and today's trading was so poor. Why? Why it was so poor? Everything was okay. Actually, the market was not good, yes. Non-so, this is a chart, this is a market, it can be everything in market. It's impossible to every time trade without the minuses. Be more adequate, yes? Adequate, yes. Be more adequate, please. You need to understand what is trading. And it's impossible to trade every time plus and get every time pluses without the double deals and something like that. It's impossible to do, guys. Hello, Tidukia. Hello, brother. How are you? As I'm now trading, how much will reach before I can withdraw? How much? I don't know how much you have on your amount. Like how I can tell you how much you need to earn. But you can withdraw every time, anytime you want. If you didn't get the bonuses, you can withdraw anytime you want. But if you need, for example, to learn the trading, if you are a beginner, please trade on demo account, not on real account. It is very important. You need to get some experiences until you trade on real account. Without experiences, it's impossible to have a pluses even with the signals. So my next deal was a plus again, $146 I have earned. So it means $692 my profit. Very good profit actually. You started with $50, but are you a beginner or not? This is more interesting for me. If you are a beginner, trade on demo account. At first you need to learn, then to get experience. Then if your income is stable every month, for example, every week, every month, you are able to move to real account, yes. Hello Prod, how are you? Prod T3RXSS. Hello, how are you? I've closed one more deal plus, so let me understand what I understood. How much would you charge to withdraw some? Sorry. What do you mean? You want to understand that, for example, I've earned almost $700. How much I'm going to make a withdrawal? Or what you asked about? Because I didn't catch the question right, maybe. Guys, we have a downgoing trend here, but the last low haven't beat by the price yet, and this is the problem, because it can be like something the start of the reverse of the trend. Actually, this is a little dangerous moment to put a deal down, but we have downgoing trend here. I got 116th. I want them in cash. Yes, you can make a withdrawal. What's the problem? Yes, I started with demo account over 2 weeks ago, and you told me that I'm good to go for real account, which I just did day before yesterday. So if you are ready, yes, of course, you can do it. No problem. Hello, first time here. I am not familiar with options. I have small experience on MT4 and MT5. MT4 and 5, this is the Forexes, of course, terminals for the Forex. But for example, if you like the trading on the binary options, you can do it, of course. The differences between Forex and binary options are that here we have a fixed fixed period of expirations and fixed income and losses. While there on the Forexes, there is no fixed anything actually. I didn't know Zelinsky was a Forex trader. Okay. Guys, I'm opening a deal up because here we have the reverse of the correction. Let me show you everything. At first, let me with the ray show you that we had here a downgoing trend. After that, the trend was reversed with the rectangle. I'll show you here the reverse, the trend reversed here because after that the next movements by the price will not beat the lows. The last low, here is it. Opposite, the last high was beaten by the price here, as you can see. Let me fill it with red. That's why I have understood that the price is going right now up and the trend was reversed by the price. That's why I've opened the deal up. Guys, please put more likes. No more questions, guys? Guys, put more likes, please, and be active in chat. I really, maybe the next week we will not have any live streamings because I'm feeling just I really wasting my time, seriously, just wasting my time because many of you just joining the live streaming and leaving it, that's all. Not asking questions, nothing more, seriously, I really wasting my time. It's better for me to, for example, spend my time with my family. If you don't need the live streamings, of course. But we, as I see your reactions, you don't need them. Okay. Hello, Hunter. How are you? Are you trading all major FX pairs? I'm trading on every currency pairs, yes. If you are about the currencies, yes. I am trading all major currency pairs. I'm not trading on crypto pairs here, I'm not using something else. I noticed that in YouTube that it is very popular to trade on the gold, but I really can't understand what is the difference. It's like I'm trading on currency pairs, some are trading on the gold, but there are so many viewers. I can't have normal viewers like for any for each my live streamings. I mean, I am well, thanks. I've got options experience. You are trading forex right now? No, I'm trading on the options, bro. This is binary options. This is the broker pocket option. Tomorrow there will not be live streaming because there is no activities, normal activities on the live streaming. That's why I really disappointed. I'm really very disappointed because I'm making my best to give you the best lessons, the best everything. Actually, I'm trying to explain you everything. I'm trying to show you with the explanations why I, for example, put up or down, but there is no normal activities. That's why I'm really disappointed. That's why maybe the next week I will not spend any times on the live streamings. I'm very glad to read it, Hunter. I'm making so many live streamings, but no activities. That's why I don't know what to do actually. How do I find you? What do you mean? You have already found me? What do you mean? How do I find you? You mean maybe in the internet, in the YouTube? I don't know, bro. You need to know it yourself actually. Guys, can you put couple of likes, seriously? What's a beautiful movement. offer mentorship program. I'm offering signals and the copy trading. Signals I'm giving in Telegram, and copy trading, this is something that I'm trading myself, and on your amount, on your account, the trades are opening automatically without doing something from you. So this is the best tool actually, I think. No problem, brother, no problem. Hello Akmal, how are you? 40 seconds left till the end of this deal, guys. 5 seconds left till the end of this deal, and 3, 2, 1. One more plus $164 again I've earned. That means 164. Yes. That means 700, 856 I have earned during this trading session on live trading, I mean. Are you trading the opening hours of major exchanges like London and why, or no? No, I'm trading just making a technical analysis. If you are, for example, a trader who are making a technical analysis, it means you are reading the charts, you are using the candles patterns, trends, levels. When for example your style of trader like this, when you are making a technical analysis by the charts, you don't need to wait something. Actually, you need to open and try to find a spot to open a deal. If you didn't, for example, find it, you just need to wait when the market will become more calmly. Then you will be able to try again. But if you are a trader with the big experience, in 90% situations you are able to find situation to open a deal actually. So this is maybe my 20 live trading on my YouTube channel. But guys, seriously, we are really wasting a time with this type of the activity. I need more activity from you. That's why I really maybe seriously the next week I will skip the live trading on my YouTube channel, because it's like something that I'm wasting a time. I can trade myself without making a live streaming and earn money myself without you actually. But if I have such a very poor activity on my live streamings, I think I need to skip the next week, and I will understand with the publishing the videos. If the videos will count more views, maybe I will start to do live streamings again. But now I really thinking that I'm wasting a time. So guys, I've earned $850 almost during this trading session on live trading on my YouTube channel. If you are going to watch this video as a video on my YouTube channel, I mean, please put more likes, subscribe my channel, and that's all. See you later. If you one more thing, if you want to join to my private channel to get to receive signals from me in my private channel, or if you want to join to my copy trading, the whole links you are able to find in the description of this live streaming. So go there, go below, find the link, go to Telegram right there, and I will take you to my private channel and start robbing the broker as we do usual there. Please don't do that, I beg. Don't skip. OC, it's really how I can explain it. You're not wasting our time. You are a godsend, bro. This is very. How can I explain it? This is very difficult to make live streaming of trading live streaming. You know, live trading when there are no activities in chat, no likes, no subscribers, new I mean, and you are just wasting. Actually, you can't even imagine who I am. Seriously, how I'm making live streamings on Russian language because I'm very popular there. Seriously, and I've tried to to move to this area, like I mean English speaking area also, because my English, my Russian are similar. I can speak as English as Russian the same, and of course Armenian also. But the most interesting thing that on Russian like languages, when I'm making live streamings, the viewers are so much, and they're asking so many questions, interesting questions. We are every time having some discuss some moments. I don't know, some questions, and the live streaming are really becoming very interesting for everyone, as myself also, as for me also. But here, I'm every time asking you to put a like. I'm every time asking you to write any question, because I'm making this all for you, to making you understand better the trading. I'm giving you a chance to asking me every question you're interested in about trading. I mean, but you are not doing this. That's why I really decided to trade myself, because 1 hour I am making a live streaming, I'm speaking, I'm trading, I am making analysis, etc., while I can, for example, trade myself to waste there like half of this hour to earn the same money and go have a rest, for example, and after, for example, make a signals. I really can't. I don't know, guys. Seriously, the next week I will skip. And I will understand. If you are, for example, watching my videos on this channel, I mean, I will start again to making live streamings, but right now I don't see any moment to keep going to make live streamings seriously. Some of you seriously want to learn, but you really, even you, don't understand what is a serious tool the live streaming is, where you can ask everything at all, but you are not using this tool right. Seriously. Whew. Sorry for this open conversation, but seriously, to have 10 viewers, 7 viewers, this is very, I don't know, very little numbers actually. That's why I will try in 1 week. I think this is the best solution, I think. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this live streaming. Put a like, subscribe my channel. See you later. See you on trade in my private channel. As I told you, the whole links below in the description. See you later. I'm going to have a little rest, guys.